Kia ora koutou. Welcome to the second Kaupapa Ako Learning Topics video. This one is about ways to show appreciation and say thank you. Te Reo Whakamiha. Let's have a look at some quick and easy ways to show our appreciation, starting with a simple kia ora and then climbing up the word climb to something a bit more intense at the top of the scale. I'll use a word climb, which is one of my favourite ways to learn more about words and build up our word vocabulary. The word climb has two extremes from the bottom to the top, and in this one I'm going to start simple and build up to more complex. We'll start off with kia ora. This versatile little phrase can be used for more than just saying hi. We can use it to say thanks. Another phrase that means hello that can also be used to say thank you is tēnā koe. Tēnā kōrua if it's two people, or tēnā koutou to three or more. It's a little bit more formal, but basically means the same thing. Next up, we have ngā mihi, which is a very common way to say thanks. There's a few ways to ramp up the humble ngā mihi. Ngā mihi nui, thanks a bunch. Ngā mihi nunui, thanks so much. And ka nui te mihi, thanks heaps. Moving up the scale, let's look at a few ways we can express gratitude in a more formal way. Tēnā rawa atu koe, tēnei te mihi, and nei rā te mihi, which would probably be used when we are acknowledging people in a more formal situation. E mihi atu ana, giving your thanks a bit more of a push. And mihi rau, many thanks. He mihi whakamiha, when we want to say how much we appreciate someone. E rere ana aku mihi, letting our appreciation fly freely to its recipient. Nearly at the top of the word climb now, and we've got he kōrero whakamiha tēnei, which is a pretty formal way just to say this is a message of appreciation. And at the very top, kaore e arikarika aku mihi, my gratitude is endless. There is no limit to how grateful I am. Some of these phrases you would use on a daily basis, like kia ora, ngā mihi nui, and tēnā koe. But a lot of them you would really only use if you were doing a formal mihi to someone, or maybe even in an email or letter. It really depends on the context, how formal or informal you want to be, and the level of the relationship you have with the person you are saying thank you to. I hope you can find some ways to put these into practice. If you want a copy of the word climb, drop me an email, I'll send you a digital copy. I'm just going to move the words over now to the side. And now that we've got the greetings here in a line, I want to show you some ways that you can add to them to address the person that you're saying thank you to. And here they are. The first three are to say thank you to one, to two, or to three or more. Ngā mihi ki a koe, thank you. Tēnei te mihi ki a koutou, this is a thank you to all of you. Nei rā te mihi ki ngā kai tautoko, this is a message of thanks to our supporters. He mihi whakamiha ki a hone, a message of gratitude to hone. E mihi atu ana ki ngā manuhiri, thank you to the visitors. And so on. The combinations are endless, and you can mix and match these phrases to fit with whatever you're trying to say and whoever you want to say it to. Nā reira, I hope you found this video helpful. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't already. He mihi whakamiha tēnei ki a koutou, ōku kai mā takitaki, a message of deep gratitude to all of you, my viewers. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Kia ora.